Hello, everyone. Thank you guys again for joining me today. My name is Ubani. I'd like to show you guys the final output of the blog we've been working on. And I've been able to add all of the necessary outbound links and also inbound links to some of the sections in the MIG platform. And I made sure that all of the outbound links were valuable and also related to the content that we are writing, which is the top 5 office printers for small businesses. And I also added the images for the various printers in the comparison table where I showed the cost of each printer. So this way, the readers can immediately have a clear visual of the product that we are talking about, and this way, further providing more information for the user. Now, I've been able to review this or view this output on my local host server. I did not upload the files to my remote server. Everything was done locally on my system. I just had internet connection, and then I have XAMPP running on my system. So I was able to visually review the blog post before I even submitted my project for review. This is really important. As a web developer, you need to have XAMPP running, especially if you're going to be focusing on web development, and it's pretty easy to install and get your system running XAMPP. I have a video content for that where I'll be publishing that very soon for you guys to actually see the whole process in installing XAMPP into your system and being able to make some PHP protocols in your local system. All right, so that being said, so I'm going to show you guys the code now. Alright, so I've been able to add the meta description and also the meta keywords, and this way search engines immediately get to know what the blog post is about. And I use ChatGPT as well to generate this, as well as the URL slug, uh, which is like the URL of the blog post. So I use ChatGPT to generate this, although this is pretty long, so I will be shortening this. Yeah, this is long. Anyway, so we've been able to uh, provide those information, the meta description, the meta keywords, and also the URL slug and the outbound links all working perfectly. So, and as you saw there in the output, I had Canva running. So I was able to design good banner graphic for the blog post, and I just went ahead and added some text and also branded it the MIG URL. So we also have tutorial sessions for those of us who don't know how to use Canva. It's very simple and straightforward. And we also have some video tutorials on that to show you guys how you can quickly begin to use Canva. Not just Canva, also Photoshop, right? So you guys should just subscribe to this channel so that you guys get more information and more credible knowledge as we continue to unveil some really amazing video content to teach you guys on how to use these professional digital tools. All right, so now that we have all of that set out, we have our blog posts, we have our graphics, we have our outbound links and inbound links. What we want to do next is to create traction. And to do that, you need to publish your post on credible forums. And these forums need to have high domain authority. That way, when you publish your blog post, people can immediately begin to visit your site, and that way traction can be experienced in your site. So one platform I use is Nairaland because it's free and is basically for Nigerians. So if you're looking to target Nigerian audience, I think Nairaland is the best forum to do that because it's absolutely free. All you need to do is just go to a particular category and create your post and yeah, schedule it. So I have a lot of posts on Nairaland that are actually driving traffic to my own site. They have a huge audience. Nairaland has one of the highest traffic rating in Nigeria. So their domain authority is 87, and they have a lot of content constantly being published on this site. So Nairaland is a great place to publish your website or your blog post to gain traction. And another site for forum is Quora. Quora is also free to use and is also a helpful platform that builds strong community. And we have Reddit, and yeah, so you can use any of these sites. They are free to publish and gain traction to your site. All right. Recognitions will be given to the authors of every blog post. So if you have a blog post project and your blog post has been approved, your name and photograph will be requested so that we can attach that attribution to you as the author of the blog post. So aside paying you for completing the project, you also get acknowledgement for writing the blog post. All right, so that's pretty much everything that we have for running a project related to blog writing and content generation. I will see you guys the next one.